Dear learning enthusiasts, welcome back to SBPS online classes. Dear students, we have started NCERT class 6, the social and political life. First, chapter number 2, diversity and discrimination. In this chapter, we have covered the contents, difference and prejudice, creating stereotypes, inequality and discrimination. In the present video class, we are going to discuss the remaining content on being discriminated against. So in this content, we are going to focus what is caste system, who are Dalits and are untouchables, which are the provisions provided to SC and SC from the government, and which types of discrimination commonly find in our India, and who was the greatest leader of India experienced the caste based discrimination. So let us begin our discussion on being discriminated against. Yes, dear students, people are engaged in different kinds of work like teaching, carpentry, pottery, weaving, fishing, farming, etc. to earn a livelihood. Livelihood means to earn the money to survival, which purchase the with the money we can purchase the food, shelter and clothes and so on. So these some certain kinds of work are valued more than the others. For example, some of the activities like cleaning, washing, cutting hair, picking garbage from the streets, cleaning the drainage from the village or city. So these are seen as a task that are less values, and people who do this work are seen dirty or impure. So the people who do the activities like cleaning works washing the clothes of others and picking garbage from the streets, even from the picking the dead animals from the roadside, and cutting the hair. So these are all considered as a task works, and as well as these works are considered as a less valuable works, and people who are doing these works are called as a dirty works or dirty people or impure people in the society. So and this belief is an important aspect of the caste system. So in the caste system, communities or groups of people were placed in a sort of ladder where each caste was either above or below, and those who placed themselves at the top of this ladder called themselves as a upper caste people. For example, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras, these categories of the social caste system, they were considered as a upper caste people. And the group who were placed at the bottom of the ladder, they were seen as unworthy and called untouchables. So why we call it as untouchables means a policy of caste discrimination considered as untouchables, and caste rules were set which did not allow the so-called untouchables to take on a work. Sometimes the works are their work is considered as impure or less value, so the people are avoided to do the certain works like priest work and business works, and sometimes some good works they were not appointed, and others than what they were meant to do, and these peoples were avoided to live in heart of the cities or heart of the village. So they were settled in far from the village or a city, and the people for example, some groups were forced to pick garbage and remove dead animals from the village, but they were not allowed to enter the homes of the upper caste people, and or take water from the well or even enters the temples. So these peoples were avoided in the society to do the good works, and they were prohibited to enter the temples and use the water from the well and so on. And dear students, Dalit is a term that people belonging to so-called lower castes use to address themselves. So to whom we call the Dalits, the lower caste peoples who are in the social category, they were in the less layer or a less category, they were called as a Dalits. They prefer this word to untouchable, or Dalit means those who have been broken. Means sometimes the upper caste people hurted them, they were called as a broken, so they themselves called as a broken because they were hurted from the discrimination problems or inequality problems. So the broken indicates that the person belongs to Dalits or untouchables. So this word according to Dalits shows how social prejudice and discrimination have broken the Dalits people, and the government refers to this group of people as scheduled caste. So the broken, Dalit or untouchables were considered in by government, and they were our government refers this group of people as a scheduled caste, that we call SC, and being made to sit separately in the classroom. Sometimes how they were discriminated in the various aspects. For example, in schools or colleges or in some public places, they were avoided to sit in the classroom, and they were avoided to enter the religious temples or mosque and so on, and because of someone's background is from of discrimination. So they were discriminated by the upper caste people on the base of the religion or caste matters, and their children could not sit next to children of other castes in school. How they were avoided in schools. So the child belongs to the lower caste, he stated to sit in the different area in the classroom. Thus upper caste acted in ways which did not give the so-called untouchables the same rights as they enjoyed. So the upper caste peoples are enjoying more facilities in the society, and the untouchables or Dalits or broken people are avoided to use the facility in the society, and they were discriminated based on the religion or caste. For especially Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, one of the greatest leaders of the India, shares his first experience of caste-based discrimination, which took place in 1901 when he was just 9 years old. So our great social leader also experienced the caste-based discrimination problem when he was in 9 years old. So read this story from your page number 19 from your textbook. So next we go to the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Is considered the father of the Indian Constitution. So he written the Constitution, and some of the writers wrote the Constitution book of our India, and is also the best known leader of the Dalits. So the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also known as a leader of the Dalits because he was tried to give the all the rights made by the government and laws made by the government that treat every person equal, and he tried to give the better facilities to the Dalits who were considered in the society untouchables or brokens. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar fought for the rights of the Dalit community. He was born into Mahar caste. So Mahar is the one of the caste in the Bombay presidency. So it is considered as a untouchable family persons, and which was considered as untouchable. The Mahars were poor, owned no lands, and the children born to them also had to do the work their parents did. For especially who are doing the work like picking the garbage or cleaning the drainage works or cutting the hair. So their parents they were doing, but the children's they have to do these works which their parents did, and they lived in a space outside the main village, were not allowed into the village. So these discrimination problems they were faced in the society by the Dalits or by the upper caste people. So he was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the great leader of the Dalits. And next we go through the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first person from his caste who completed his college education and went to England to become a lawyer. So he struggled a lot to becoming the good person in the society, as well as abolish the caste system in the society. And he started to get the education from England to become a lawyer, and he encouraged Dalits to send their children to school and college. And he also urged Dalits to take on different kinds of government jobs in order to move out of the caste system. And he led many efforts of Dalits to enter temples. Later in life, he converted to Buddhism in his search for a religion that treated all members equally. So in Buddhism religion, all the persons treated equally. So he adopted Buddhism religion in his life. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar believed that Dalits must fight against the caste system in the society and work towards a society based on respect, not just for a few but for all persons. So next we go through the upcoming class. We will cover the striving for equality content. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.